If you want to get your VA claim approved faster and avoid that not service connected denial, stop dumping records and hoping the VA figures it out. Here's the truth: the VA doesn't reward effort, it rewards clarity. And I'm going to show you a simple trick that makes your evidence impossible to ignore. I call it the evidence timeline trick. Most veterans have evidence. They have doctor visits, prescriptions, test results, maybe even diagnosis notes. But when you upload it all at once, out of order, with no explanation, it looks like noise, and the rater has a limited amount of time to review what you submit. So if they can't quickly see the story, when it started, how it progressed, and why it ties to service, they'll either deny it or lowball it. Here's the trick. You're going to build a one-page timeline that tells your claim story in order. Step 1. Start with the in-service event, a training injury, a deployment exposure, an incident, something that happened while you served. Step 2. List when symptoms started. Be specific, month and year if you can. Step 3. List the diagnosis date or the first medical documentation that shows the condition clearly. Step 4. List treatment history, appointments, medications, therapy, CPAP, whatever applies. Now here's the key. Every line on your timeline gets matched to a piece of evidence. If your timeline says March 2018, first documented complaint, then you label that document E1 and you put it in the upload with the same label. Let me make it real. Say you're claiming a knee condition. Your timeline might look like this: 2011, knee injury during PT event. 2012, pain continues, swelling after runs, symptoms. 2018, first documented complaint with your PCP, evidence E1. 2019, imaging or ortho visit, evidence E2. 2020 to 2025, ongoing treatment, meds, physical therapy, evidence E3 to E6. Now the rater doesn't have to guess. They can see the chain. That's what wins claims. 2 quick mistakes to avoid. 1. Dumping records with no labels or order. That forces the VA to hunt. 2. Leaving out the glue, your personal statement. Your one-page statement should basically say, here's the timeline, here's how it connects. Simple, clear, direct. So remember this: event, symptoms, diagnosis, treatment. Match each point to labeled evidence. Don't make the VA guess. Make it easy to approve. Subscribe for VA claim clarity. And grab the free resources at veteranclaimsmadeeasy.com. Resources. Clarity before you file. My goal is never to mislead, only to empower you with accurate, honest, and actionable information.